Hey guys, I wanted to share a dish that I make for dinner that is just one of my favorite things, and it's super quick and easy to do. I don't measure a whole bunch, but there's a little bit of butter, and this is some freeze-dried garlic. And I go ahead and saute that up for a bit together. And then this is one chicken breast that I have cubed up. This is feeding just my husband and I. I started a batch of rice. Slow cook the chicken. This is my homemade garlic seasoning that I make. And then here are some baby portobello mushrooms. I just kind of chop them up a little bit. It's just a handful of them. Again, it's just the two of us I'm feeding. And then I go ahead and add this in with the chicken. Once it's almost done, I'll just add it in. And just stir that up. And then here is, this is like the best part of the ingredients, and that gives it the most savory flavor, and that is sun-dried tomatoes. So just, grab a few sun-dried tomatoes out of the jar, chop them up, throw them in with everything else, and stir them around and let the chicken continue to cook on a low heat. This is all pretty much a low heat. And then I grab, now this is probably about 2.5 handfuls of spinach, because as you know, spinach will just literally become almost nothing when you think it's a whole bunch that you're putting in. So I just basically stir that around until the spinach becomes soft and reduces in size. And that seasoning mix that I did was just basically salt, garlic powder, pepper, a little bit of parsley. Here is some heavy cream, and I just add just a small amount because we want it to have a little bit of liquid when we pour it over the rice. And then that's all you do. And then just pour it over the rice when the rice is done. I hope you try it and like it.